We are the skies. We are trying to use drones to make
the world a better place.
Hi, I'm Neil. Here comes the rest of my crew. Neil. Jay.
Daruk. Hi, it's Neil again.
And it's Jay again. Here to tell you about our awesome drone.
Our drone has many uses. One of the uses are grocery items. If you're losing food in your fridge, you can put the signal on your phone and a drone will come in up to 10 minutes. Just put a list inside the drone pocket and in some time it will be back with all the food you wanted. This drone can go to almost any store. This also works for restaurants. If you want to get some takeout for food, then it works the same.
So another use that we have for our drone is filling up water. So just imagine this. You just have to pay $100 in the beginning of your life, or your parents can do it for you when you're born. Then for the rest of your life, if you send out the signal, the drone will refill your water bottle for you if it's empty.
Just got back from a long hike.
So fun.
A few moments later.
Oh, hey drone, can you refill my water bottle? Thank you. Now I got fresh new water to drink. As you can see, I'm way too young to drive. I need groceries and I want pizza. I'll just set out an alarm on my phone for a drone to come.
A few moments later.
Oh, hi drone. Can you take this list of groceries and also buy me a pizza? Beep, beep. Thank you. I got my pizza. Can I have my groceries? Thank you.
Yay!
This is why this drone is the best.
And go. So, this whole time we've been talking about how you can use your phone to call a drone and help you. So I'm going to explain how you would be able to do this. So first of all, the drone would support all different devices, Android, Apple, basically all devices except for maybe like PCs, stuff like that. So what you would do is there's an app on your phone, and when you go to it, it's free download. You just download it, and then right on the app, you have to pay that $100 unless somebody hasn't already done it for you. So then what you do is you go into the app, and once you go into it, there should be a signal icon. So when you press that, it'll say, drone coming to you soon. And once the drone arrives, then you just type in your orders for the drone. So that's pretty cool, right? So yeah, that's our amazing. Go. The next cool thing I'm going to explain is how you get your water. So the drone will come and you'll see an option on the drone screen for, do you want your food, do you want to order food, or do you want water? So just click on the water icon and then screw in your water bottle to the screwing cap on the thing. And it'll refill your water bottle. The next thing is the food. You can probably already tell what it is. But basically, on your phone, type it in, enter, and it knows exactly what to get from exactly what store. Now, the final last thing is something that's almost impossible to see. We would place 4 tiny security cameras on each side of the drone, so as it's just roaming around, if there's something really bad going on in the streets, it can immediately call 911. Thank you.
Neil!